guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. And just in case you haven't figured it out yet, this is mission 13 of the Sea Dragons campaign. We are to go to 0708 keypad 9 and help support an attack on the port facility at Burun. Somebody else will get all the glory because all we have to do is suppress the anti-aircraft batteries to the northeast of the port, while the other guys hit all the ships. Well, we'll see about that. So we have 9 IL-2s with the bombs and rockets and the usual 4 lag fighters. Once we get feet wet at waypoint 4, it'll be 295 to the target. It should be relatively easy to see with this bit of land and this lake behind and the small town down to the south. The mission briefing says that we're to attack the AAA positions to the northeast of the port facility, and the only place that can be is on this little peninsula. Our egress back this way is going to be 110 degrees. We have a few problems here. We are in enemy territory right the way back to this peninsula. So if we have engine problems, we could land on this island here. So gaining as much altitude as you can across this body of water is a smart idea. All right, let's roll. 315. 325. 325 heading 600 meters. Engine looks good. Gunners are set. Coming up on the waypoint here. Left turn 295. The mission briefing says it should take us 8 minutes to get to this point of land. In thinking about doing our attack run, the sun is going to be coming from our left. If we can keep the sun behind us, it should make it more difficult for them to shoot at us, but it should make it really easy for us to see the target. And then we'll peel around in a right-hand traffic here until we've done our job. Several of our missions have been made during the midday heat. And this is like an evening flight, and you can see the difference it makes on the temperatures, especially the oil temperature. Approaching our point of land here, what can we see ahead? We can see the 3 small islands, or the single island at 1 o'clock. We can see the lake in the distance, and just to the right of the nose, we can actually see the port facility itself in that peninsula. So we're going to aim straight for the lake and then turn right to hit the target. That's it. We're over enemy territory from here on in. Okay, gunners are set. Time to tell the pilots what to do. Do like me. So your question is this looking like we're expecting it to look? If so, we've done a good job getting here. Tally-ho! What I'd like to do is try and take these out, and if there's any ships left, I'd like to drop a couple of bombs on those. I'm looking. I'm sure they'll find us first. Oh, there they are. There's a row of them just on the other side. Down low on the deck. There's a boat off there at 2 o'clock. We'll take out the one that's firing. Mind the crane. We might have scared him away. Let's have a closer look. Now it's out of commission. Still flak up somewhere. Gotta find where it is. Again, opening the canopy. I thought I saw something coming from these boats. Okay, I think our job is done. However, it's now time to hit the ships if we can. Somebody's still shooting. Okay, we're going to hit those two barges there with rockets. I'm going to get it trimmed up nicely. I'm going to hit this one with a rocket. I don't know if that was enough to kill it. We'll have another look. Okay, we're going to try this again. Okay, so the rocket didn't make any real damage, so we're going to come in and hit this with bombs. We'll line up, we'll drop all four if we can. Well, that was pretty successful. Both burning, that means they're both done. I still see a flak position up over there, and it's our job to take them out, so we're going to go and get that one. You can see it right there. So one, oh, there's three of them over there. Okay, we've got three to do, and then we'll head home. Looks like I got two of them, and the third crew's running away. Don't think we'll be able to sink it with gunfire, but we gave it a good shot. Scared them anyway. They know we were here. Okay, what was that, heading to get home? Never mind that. Check out the island up ahead. Now, we're going to be attacked by fighters here. Best thing we can do is balls to the wall, full power, down as low as we can, and hope the fighters come and help us. Target's out of range, he says. We don't have any battle damage at all. Everything's cool. Engine's behaving itself. We're heading home. There's the peninsula to the right. Alright, so we know where we are. Engine quits. We got a place to land. Perfect. And this point of land represents safety. So I'm going to put the challenge to you here. Put your map away. Fly low level. And see if you can get all the way home back to Anapa without looking at the map. Remember, it's going to be about 8 minutes from here down to that small town on the isthmus, and then about 4 minutes further south down the coast. So how did we do? We got 1 cannon, we got 9 AAA guns, and we got 2 light ships. And home sweet home, there she is. Well guys, thanks for watching. Mission 14 will be up next, and then the final mission in the Sea Dragon campaign will be mission 15. I hope you'll join me for the next campaign, which is Wind of Fury, featuring the Tempest. A totally different experience. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it, or subscribe, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a